Hi everyone, glad to see you in my new YouTube video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to download and play Evernight Reawakening right on your PC. As you can see right now I can start this game on my PC and of course start playing it. How to do it? The first step you have to do is install an Android emulator. You can install LD Player, BlueStacks, Memo Android emulator or another one. And the second step is just install this game on the Android emulator. You can install this game in Play Store or just in the Chrome browser. So firstly, let me show you how to install an Android emulator. All you need to do is just go to a browser and type here Android emulator download. Then go to the necessary Android emulator, for example BlueStacks, and here you can find the download button. So of course install it. Okay, save it and then launch it to completely install it on your PC. After the installation you will find the emulator's icon on your desktop or in the start menu right here, LD player. So click on it, run it, and then this window will appear. So after that you have to go to the apps folder and find here Play Store. And then tap on the search box at the very top and type here evernight. Here it is. And of course here you will see the install button, but this game is already installed on my Android emulator, so I just can uninstall it or start playing this game. Let's click on play, and now let me show you that this game works correctly on this Android emulator. And there is the gameplay of this game, so you can start playing it on your PC, as you can see. So if this video was helpful for you, of course like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.